what's going on, guys? It's Raj here, and today we have another brand new unboxing. So today we have the iPhone 17 Pro Max in this deep blue, also 512 gigabytes. We have the iPhone 17 Pro Max blue TechWoven case, and then we also have the navy blue fine woven wallet. We also do have a couple accessories here. We have the silicone case as well. We have the O Snap Grip in Midnight. We have a mouse case, of course, and then the screen protector. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get to the accessories. So first we will unbox the TechWoven case. I'm excited to see this. This is Apple's follow-up to Fine Woven on the 15 series, which we all know how Fine Woven kind of went, so let's see how this does. Wow. I love the texture. Very beautiful. Okay, we will set that to the side. I think I'm honestly going to have this as my main case, because if you guys go back in a previous video, of course, I also unboxed the iPhone Air as well. So for that, I chose to go with the mouse case. But honestly, I might have the TechWoven case as my main case for a little while. I really love it. So, okay, that is the TechWoven case. Now, let's go ahead and let's actually unbox the phone. So as you can see, it is the iPhone 17 Pro Max in deep blue, 512 gigabytes. Okay, now the reveal. Wow. Of course, new iPhone smell. That is beautiful. Look at that. That is a really, really nice looking blue. Okay, we will go ahead and set her off to the side just for a second. Then in the box, you get, of course, the charging cable and the usual paperwork. So not a whole lot to look at. Okay, and then off camera, I'm going to go ahead and put the screen protector on. So I'll be right back. Okay, and then we now have the phone, of course, booting up, but that is going to do it for this unboxing video. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and please be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.